Hello, in this C programming video we are going to cover assignment operators. So let's cover the most basic one. If I create a variable int I equals 9 semicolon, that this right here is an assignment operator. It says what's on the right gets assigned to what's on the left. That principle is essentially the same. The other assignment operators would do something else extra. Instead of just saying assign the value on the right, it could be a calculated value like 5 plus 4 would also get us 9, or let's say a plus b that may have the values 5 and 4 gets assigned to I, for example, but they will do something extra. So let's say if I do int, let's say num1 equals, actually, you know what? I'll leave it as it like this. So I'll say no. I'll put I plus equals 10. This is basically saying add 10 to I. That's all it is. It's the equivalent of saying I equals itself plus 10. And so this is called the AND assignment operator. So the add and assignment operator. And as you can imagine, you can do this for minus, times, and divide. And obviously this changes respectively. I won't print out the values because it's pretty simple what it's doing. So this is subtract, multiply, divide. So those are the basic assignment operators, but you can go a bit further, and similar to this, what you can do is use the modulus symbol. So it will, because the modulus, gets you the remainder, and you can do that as well. And it is the modulus, which is remainder operator. So this just says I modulus 10, whatever the result is, assign it back to I. And next, what we can do is also apply bit shift operators as well, which is pretty darn cool. So what we'll do is, let me show you. And you can have, let's say, I less than equals 3 semicolon. This is the equivalent of saying I is equal to I less than 2 or 3. So it just moves the bits by 3 to the left. And I'm gonna also put, this is the left shift and assignment operator. As you can imagine, we can get one for the right shift as well. Principally, it is the exact same. We can also get one for the AND assignment operator, ampersand, and this is the equivalent of saying, I and with 3 on a bitwise level, what is the result, and then assign it back to I. So this is the bitwise and then we'll also do the last two, which are OR and exclusive OR. If you have not already watched my bitwise operator video, I highly recommend that you watch that, because that will explain a whole heap of stuff. And this is bitwise XOR, so exclusive OR, and this is also known as inclusive OR as well. If you might come across that term, it is also known as that. I'll put in brackets. You might just call it as bitwise OR assignment operator. So that's it. Those are all the assignment operators, the most common one being this. I'll say the next set of common ones are probably these two, then these, and then you'll be the rest. And when you start doing more advanced coding, it is important to be able to do operations on a bitwise level as well. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord group. There's a link in the description. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.